ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hi, this is ABC 3340 meteorologist Brian Peters, and you've clicked on the Weather Xtreme video for Sunday, April the 20th. Let's get right to some sky cam shots. How about this one? The railroad bridge over the Tennessee River at Decatur. Man, that's an interesting shot this morning. Beautiful sky over Clanton, with a little yellow to it as the sun is rising this morning, and a little bit of yellow as we look off to the west out of Mount Cheaha and off the highest point in the state of Alabama. Well, that front and a low-pressure system is over in the mid-Atlantic states, and that is causing some weather for the area from North Carolina up through about New Jersey. And at 500 millibars, of course, we've got that bowling ball of a low that's still situated over eastern Kentucky and extreme western West Virginia. And that, of course, giving them some problems there on the mid-Atlantic states. Temperature-wise, it's rather mild, kind of chilly in the northern Rockies with some 10-degree readings and a few single-digit values. But otherwise, across the country, temperatures rather mild with a lot of 40s, 50s, and a few 60s there in West Texas. Across central Alabama, temperatures generally in the mid and upper 40s this morning, so a very beautiful morning to start the day, and indeed a great weather day in store for us. Severe weather-wise, of course, we have a slight risk on the North Carolina Outer Banks area and part of southeastern Virginia, as well as an area around North and South Dakota. QPF-wise, not much expected as we're under a rather benign pattern, at least for the next several days across the southeastern U.S., so if anything, this is not going to be a all-day of rain for anybody, just a showery event. All right, let's get to the 06Z GFS model run, and here's the 500 millibar pattern. It's about 18 to 20,000 feet above the ground, and this is for Monday at midday around 1 p.m. And there's our bowling ball now over southern North Carolina, I guess, and almost where North Carolina and South Carolina meet. And we're under a weak ridge, and as a result, we're going to see just kind of a weak high pressure between the low over West Texas and that low over North Carolina. So I think we're going to be another beautiful day as we start the work week on Monday. By Tuesday, the weak high across the southeastern U.S. is still there. Moisture returning into Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and indeed we can see that again on Wednesday. Now, by Wednesday, I think maybe it's close enough and there's enough moisture return. We might see a shower, but I think Monday and Tuesday are going to be dry, and then possibly Wednesday is when I would introduce the first chance for a shower, and even that's pretty small. The ridge stays with us on Thursday, but notice we've got a little bit of a short wave extending from a little bit northwest of Kansas City down to about Lake Charles, and that producing a little bit of weather in the midsection of the country. And again, there's a possibility of scattered showers or even an isolated shower, but not much. By Friday, that ridge is back. There's a little weakness there over North Alabama, so once again, the possibility of a scattered shower. By Saturday, looks like scattered showers a little more numerous, but still, we're not talking about an all-day rain event. And Sunday, look at what's heading our way now for the first of next week, and that is a very deep trough over northern New Mexico, and that is likely to produce a significant low-pressure area over the southern part of the United States, the south central part of the United States, and with that, we could see some interesting weather come about Monday or so. And indeed, here's the 500 millibar pattern for Monday as that upper low moves our way, and there's the surface low. So this is shaping up to have the look of the possibility of some severe weather. But again, we're getting out into and probably just inched over into Voodoo Land. All right, Voodoo Land out here. Here's Saturday. This is almost 2 weeks out, and generally a ridging pattern over our area and for much of the country. And then that ridging stays with us through Monday, and then that is 2 weeks out, the 5th of May. Well, we appreciate you tuning in to the Weather Xtreme video. Certainly hope that you have a great Sunday and enjoy this nearly perfect spring day in Alabama. Have a great Sunday, and God bless.